Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel to pull matching values from a lookup table in just a few simple steps. Click cell B2 in your orders sheet. Type the formula equals VLOOKUP A2, sheet 2A, B, 2, false into the cell. This tells Google Sheets to look up the value in A2, search for it in the first column of Sheet 2's range, A to B, and return the corresponding value from the second column. Click the Sheet 2 tab at the bottom to see your lookup table with product ID and price columns. Click back to the Sheet 1 tab to return to your orders sheet. The formula calculates and pulls the matching price from Sheet 2 into cell B2. Click cell B2 again to select it. You'll see the formula in the formula bar showing exactly how VLOOKUP found that value. Now grab the fill handle in the bottom right corner of cell B2 and drag it down to cell B6 to copy the formula down the column. The formula automatically adjusts for each row, looking up each product ID in turn. Each cell now shows the matching price for its product ID. If you see a #NA error instead of a price, your lookup table column range might be wrong. Double-check that the second argument covers both your lookup column and your return column, and verify there are no extra spaces in your lookup values. The false argument at the end ensures an exact match, which is what you want for product codes and IDs. Using true would give you an approximate match instead. If you need to pull additional columns from your lookup table, just change the third number in the formula. 3 would return the third column, 4 would return the fourth, and so on. And that's how to use VLOOKUP in Excel to match and retrieve values from another sheet. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.